Assalamu alaikum. Class 4, in our previous lectures, I introduced you prime factorization. Today we will again revise what is prime factorization and then we will start the exercise. Prime factorization is a process by which a given number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers, which are the factors of the number. For example, the prime factors of 15 are 1, 3 and 5. So, the product of these prime factors is 15. I also told you that there are two methods of prime factorization of numbers, factorization method and factor tree method. Okay, let's see how to factorize the number by factorization method. Look at the first example. Let us factorize the number 24. We will start from the smallest prime number, that is 2. We will start from number 2 and see whether the number comes in the table of 2 or not. What is the number? 24. If the given number is an even number, then that can be divisible by number 2. And if the number is an odd number, that it cannot be divisible by 2. So, tell me, what are the even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which comes in the table of 2, or we can say the numbers that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are the numbers which ends at 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, now tell me, is 24 an even number? Yes, so it can be divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then again we will divide this number 12 with the same number 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is again an even number, then it can be divisible by 2 again. So 2 3s are 6. And the last one number is 3. It cannot be divisible by 3. So it is an other prime number. It will be divided by the same number, that is 3 1s are 3. We can write these factors like this. 24 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, like this. Or 2, 2, 2 and 3 are the factors of 24 and all factors are prime numbers. Okay, now let's move on to the next method, that is factor tree method. Let's find prime factors of 24 by factor tree method. Look at this figure. This is called a factor tree. Let's find out the factors of 24 by factor tree method. First, see, the number 24 is an even number, so it can be divisible by number 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now we will again divide the number 12 with the same prime number. 2 6s are 12. Now we will further divide the number 6 with the same number 2. 2 3s are 6. So, in this method, the factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2 and 3. We can factorize the numbers by both the factorization method, and factor tree method. You will get the same answer. Class 4, now take out your math books and open page number 51, exercise on your own 4.4, question number 1. Write the question in your notebooks and let's do the first part of this question. Use the factorization method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. The first one is 12. You have to factorize the number 12 by the factorization method. Okay, class 4, I have just written the factorization method, but you have to write the complete question from the book. First, let's factorize the number 12 by factorization method. First, tell me, is 12 an even number? Yes, so we can divide it with the number 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is again an even number, then it can be divisible by number 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 is not an even number, so we will move to the next number to divide the number 3. And after 2, what is the next number? 3. 3 1s are 3. We can write it like this: 12 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. If you multiply these numbers, you get the number 24. So the factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 2 is use the factor tree method to find the prime factors of the following numbers. You have to factorize the number 18 by the method factor tree method. Write the complete question from book page 51 and let's factorize the number 18. Is 18 an even number? Yes. So we can divide the number 18 with the number 2. 2 nines are 18. Now the number 9 is not an even number, so we will use the next number to divide it, and after 2 what will be the next number? 3. Can 9 will be divisible with 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. So the factors of 18 are 2, 3 and 3. Now class 4, can you do the remaining parts of question 1 and 2 by yourself? Good. Complete the remaining parts of both the questions in your notebooks. Thank you.